Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Here's a quick and easy recipe, and it's a good way to use up leftovers. It's for ham, chicken, or turkey potato casserole. And this recipe allows for many substitutions to suit your own taste preferences. Okay, so let's get started. We'll start by getting together a few simple ingredients, and then we'll go about telling you the recipe amounts. You'll need a generous 2 cups of chopped meat. That's up to you whether you want to use ham, chicken, or turkey. Whatever meat choice you choose, make sure it's pre-cooked before adding it to the recipe. And chop it into small chunks. Add about 4 cups of hash browns or chopped potatoes. Larger chunks are even better. Add about 2 cups of chopped ham. Add about 284 ml or 10-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, and then another can of either cream of mushroom or cream of potato soup. Add 2 cups of sour cream or cottage cheese, and 2 generous cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Then take a large spoon and mix this all together. Now this is kind of the basis for the casserole, but there's lots of optional ingredients that you could add if you wanted to. An option is broccoli. You could go ahead and cut it in small pieces and lightly steam it before adding it. Or you could use frozen peas and carrots. Or you could use canned corn. If you do decide to add a vegetable, 1 cup would be probably plenty. Grease a 9x11 inch casserole dish. Spoon the mixture into the casserole dish and spread it out until it's nice and even. Topping off the casserole comes with a lot of options as well. You could put a little bit of breadcrumbs, shredded orange or white cheddar, or even a little bit of parmesan. Then place it in a 375-degree oven and set your timer for about 45 minutes. At that point you can check it and make sure that everything that's in it is nice and tender, or you could leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. The top of it should have the cheese melted and golden brown. Now check this out. Looks pretty good, eh? Would you like to try some? If you're a meat and potato kind of person, this is the type of casserole that might appeal to you. And you can complement it with whatever cheese suits your taste buds. And besides all that, of course you can use up leftovers in this casserole. And you might want to let the casserole sit for 5 or 10 minutes before serving so that it thickens up a little bit. If you decide to make this, please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what variations you used. I appreciate you watching today's video, and until next time, happy eating!